Hello my people, well, and also I did that for 10 days. Okay, I will put the video of the preparation of the detox. So first of all, what you do is you add salt water to a measurement of lukewarm water, so not too hot and not warm, not tea like, but something that's comfortable to drink, and you have to drink it within a set time. And also that is to help to flush and cleanse your I think it's a digestive system, your stomach, your intestines. It's less well, it's much more comfortable than having the colon clean, where a pipe will be pushed into your behind, and the sound of it is even uncomfortable. I've seen it, I've researched it, but I didn't do that. Okay, so what I did was I put the salt water in the lukewarm water. I drank it within a set time. I waited for it to get my bowels moving. After 30 minutes to an hour, I was able to go to the toilet. So you do that from the beginning, and then you have the lemon detox. I also put that in the description down below, the ingredients for you. After 10 days, I went from this to this. I was so excited, and I was very, very happy about the results. And what I also imbibed in that was also to go for walks. So I went for walks. It's about 30 minutes to an hour, and it was a good time because it wasn't boring. I had to do something to make sure that I don't get tired, and I have to move from point A to point B, because I didn't want a situation whereby I give up and I sit down. I wanted that length or those miles to be there, so that by the time I get to that point, I know that I have to walk back, and that has moved my steps from about 6,000 up until 10, and I'm really looking forward to going beyond that. So apart from that, really, so also what I did was to do the lemon tea detox. give you the items. It's going to be in the description below what you need to do. Now, while I was on that, because some of us, what we do is, or when we decide that we want to lose weight, we go for this extreme weight loss program, and then we don't know what to do from there. And then I've heard of different people complaining that they put on the weight and even much more. So what I did during this period is to look for different diets, that are out there that can help me to continually lose weight on a slower, much more healthier pace, and then make sure that I get to that place where I want to be, based on it. So obviously you have to this is a disclaimer, please note, everything is not guaranteed. You have to put in the work, you have to put in the effort, and you also have to be responsible. If you need to go to your GP, check your weight, check and make sure you talk to them, and let them know what is it that you want to do, and see if your body will be able to take it. So that we want to be healthy. We don't go to your GP and ask and check all these things. If you're fine and good to go, look, the world is your oyster. Everybody's looking to lose weight. Everybody's looking to keep fit. So what I did afterwards was look into all the diets that were out there, and there are quite a few. So I've got them listed down, so you see me looking into my book every now and again, because there are quite a few. Right, then so we've got the bland diet. Okay, we've got the bland diet. That one is originally a medical diet, okay, used to fight gut irritation. So it's bland, like the name implies, and I think most of the food you'll be having there is going to be low in fiber and fat, and excludes spices. Also, there's the champagne diet. The champagne diet was a quite interesting one for me, because I don't really drink alcohol. I used to drink only during my where I used to work, the Christmas parties. Only that once in a year I drink wine. Yeah, I drink alcohol. So this champagne diet, you take, I think, at least 2 flutes a day, and also you can eat anything that you want. You have to eat luxuriously. It has to, not anything that you want. Not, you don't order burgers and fries and then eat. It doesn't make you feel glamorous. So it's a kind of diet that makes you feel glamorous. It was, the, should I say, author or the person that came up with this diet, likened it to living glamorously, and it did yield results for them. But then, you have to, champagne is part of the diet, so it's called the champagne diet. Also, we have the baby food diet. Now, that one was interesting for me. So for the baby food diet, you have to eat baby food in jars. Okay, I think the ones that are sweet, the puddings, the custard, that's quite delicious. Well, it's okay, it's not bad, because I gave my daughter when she was a baby. I think it's got sugar in. So if you take much more of the dessert, it might not yield what you want. Sorry, it's my phone going off. Thank you. Moving on. So yeah, the baby food diet will be, the food where you've got the baby food as mashed potato, chicken, and all that stuff. Yeah, but it depends on you. You choose the ones that you like. But I will feel that you need to avoid, like, maybe 60% avoid the dessert, because it does have sugar in it, and it might rack up the calories, despite the fact that it is a diet that consists of between 40 to 100 calories. Okay, also another diet that I looked into for you is the Special K diet. Now for this diet, you replace 2 meals with, you replace 2 meals with cereal. So each portion is 170 calories, and it is 45 grams, and you have to take it with skim or semi-skim milk, just to make sure the calories are low, and also you have one meal and it's going to be low in fiber and fat per day. Okay, another diet that I have also come across is the Copenhagen Diet. Now that diet is 3 high protein, low fat meals. There will be no snacking. You have to drink your 2 liters of waters per day. It is a low calorie diet, and I think it's strict. Yeah, strict counting calories. So let's get on the Sirtfood Diet. I looked at that diet, it was quite good. So we've heard about the one that our dear darling, what's her name again? I have to get her name, please excuse me. We just seen her transform from what she used to be into this glamorous figure. It was very encouraging and surprising, or abracadabra. I'm sure for her it wasn't an abracadabra moment, because obviously when you're dieting and not eating the food that you're used to and going through all that regime to make sure you lose it, you do the exercise, we didn't see that it was the end product that we saw, and it was a complete transformation for us. And when we saw it, it was an abracadabra moment. But I'm sure for those are the people that we need out there, these role models that will let us know that it is possible. It is possible, guys. We can do this. My people, and thank you so much for being with me here today. And also, until Thursday, I'll see you soon. Bye.